I'm making about a video about this new app. It's dollar.com where you can make money. Actually, whenever you invite someone, you will get $20, and when you share a link with someone and he just click on it, so you will get the money. For example, when you copy this, first of all, what you will do, these they give you some tasks you have to complete it. If we come to here, this represent your refer link. Register refer that share this link in on $2 for every person who click on it. Whenever someone click on it, whether he make whether he make the account or not, you will get the $2, and then earn an additional $20 when they sign up. And after that, when they sign up, it means that when they make an account, so after that you will get $20. So what you will do it copy, so you copy it and then you can share it with someone through WhatsApp or something else. If we come to WhatsApp, if here I'm sharing this one, right? So paste here and then share it. So whenever someone click on it, it will be okay. Then if we come to other app, back to our app, so the app here we will talk 20 survey and apps. $20 when you survey the whole app, then they will give you warning when confirming payment. If your TFT or team find any fake referral, it's mean that you make referral, like you make another accounts, and that referral you did it by your own referral and your own phone, so that one they will stop your money, your account will be banned, and your payment will not be approved. It's mean that they will not send you money. So let's come to the task in refer friend. Mean here you can get on $20 from through refer friend, mean that you can invite through it. Here also you will refer. Let's click on it. You see here it goes to refer and share your referral link with your friend to earn, and earn $2 for every friend who clicks your link, and 20 for every friend that sign up. So share your link through WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So you can do these things. These are my referral. You can see that through these referral I get the $20. So let's back to the home page. So these are the link. After that you can get clicking mean that someone on your referral link click, you will get that $2. Complete survey also, you'll get create your YouTube video. Now I'm the YouTube videos, you will click on this one. Okay, here you create a YouTube video talking about its dollar, how it works, that how it was, how much you made, and why you love it. So it's easy, like how it works. It's working like that. I'm showing now right now, and how much I made, almost 400. And why you love it, because it's easy to use. That's why we love it. And once finished, upload it to YouTube and use the title. When it's finished, then you can upload to YouTube. Use the title and description provided below. You have to use these titles, a video title in the YouTube. When you are uploading, they want video title, so you will use this video title. What you will do, click on it, and then you can select all and then copy. When you copy it, then paste that title there, and the description also you will do like the same. And when you paste it, upload it. After upload it, you will share the video. When you share it, will come the link, and then you can paste the link here. So when you paste it and then submit the video, so after some time you will get the $50 for that. Download app mean earn $20 for that. So don't do it from here or from this place or from the your rep here also. For this one, you will go to here, come to here, then the 20s task wall you will press here, okay, and then when you what they say, complete the easy task below to earn extra money. This will be automatically added to your account within 5 to 10 minutes. You can only complete each offer once. What you can do it, you can only complete it once. This the movie फिन अभी बेहतरीन फिल्म देखने के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शन टू अर्न $20 दर्ज करें. कंटिन्यू. So you will do this. Here you will give what? Your number. And then you can pay now. The first day is free for this one. So when I already made it an account in this one. Select here you will what you will select zone. So when you pay now, you already subscribed. So it will go again to that thing. It will come like this. Then you can watch something in it, movies or something. This app you will run it for 30 seconds. So when 30 seconds you use it for 30 seconds, if you use it, after that it will come, your task will be completed. Is they shown in the you can see they are playing the tennis. Eurosport is a premier Lithuanian sports network owned and operated by Discovery Inc. Eurosport specializes in the management and promotion of tennis and support events. Eurosport is the number one sport destination with Olympic cricket, football, tennis, winter sports, snooker, and motorsport, and many more. You can see we run it for 30 seconds, and let's see that how it works. You can see they are playing tennis, and this TabMate TV, the first day is free, but after that what, it will charge you 25 Rs25 for the whole week. So now let's back to our account. So we will press here. We will come to home page again. That's how it works, and you can see the task will later on, maybe it will add 14 referral, and I made $400 till now in 35 click, but I didn't till now I didn't withdraw any money. I'm trying. When I'm finished my task, it's not working. So when it start works, so when I become more than 5, then I will be able to withdraw the money also, because you have the money you have to increase from 200. The click must be more than 20, and the reply also must be more than 8, and the task must be completed 5 tasks. So after that, they'll say that you'll get the money. So that's all. Make your accounts and enjoy. Hope you will withdraw or benefit from it.